Our goats are multiplying, guys. We just received 16 kids from 18 goats. Yes, man, the multiplication effect on goats is absolutely bananas. It's absolutely crazy, man. Just the return on investment alone is unmatched, guys. And this is why I am particularly excited about goat farming. So, guys, this is Success Inspiration Academy. My name is Henry, and our passion here is to inspire entrepreneurs, right? This is basically entrepreneurs teaching other entrepreneurs. So, guys, man, you know, if you don't know, please go to my previous video whereby I was stating how I recently invested in goat farming by partnering with a local doctor in Harare, Zimbabwe. Guys, man, super excited about it. Super excited about this. I'm sitting here in Johannesburg, South Africa, and the work is going on, man. The power of collaboration in 2022. However, guys, back to Exhibit A. But before we do that, please like this video. Please subscribe. If you're excited about entrepreneurship, subscribe to this channel right now. Share this video right now and let someone who's just like you know about what's going on. And comment, guys, comment down below, you know, because I interviewed different entrepreneurs, you know, who are into different things, and you know, you just basically, you know, comment and let me know what sort of entrepreneurs you'd want us to interview. So, guys, man, back to Exhibit A, man. Our goats are multiplying already. So basically this year we started with a unit of 31 does, 31 female goats who were ready, which were actually ready for breeding, right? This 31 unit of does who were ready for breeding. So, guys, our strategy, as I explained in the previous video that I did, was that we are basically going to be converting local goats, right, into Boer goats, right, into hybrid goats and into pure Boer goats. So the way we do this is that you need a unit of local does, right? These are the local goats that we have here in Africa, and you need to basically mix them with pure goats. So in this case, we are mixing them with a pure Boer buck, right? That's what we are going for. There are other breeds, but we want the Boer. So what we do is that you get, you know, your Boer buck, to mate with the locals. The kids that come out of there is the F1, first generation. You know, they get to mate again, you know, with not the father, but another Boer buck. Then the kids are F2s. You go like that until you get pure breeds, guys. That's what we're doing. That's our strategy. So we started with a unit of 31 does, you know, this year. They met with the Boer buck and they produced 14 F1 females, those 31, 14 F1 females and some males. That was in May, guys. Then from there, now in October, November season, they have produced for us, in counting, 28 kids. Of those 28, 14 already are females, guys, and the rest are males. That's half, but we're still waiting on 8 of those 31 to give birth. You know, 2 already gave birth, but they had complications, so that's fine. So we are waiting on the 8 right now, right? So 21 already gave birth, 2 gave birth, but they had complications. We're waiting on the 8. And on those 8, maybe we'll get 16 females. Who knows, guys? But the return on investment is absolutely crazy. So you might be asking, how come you got some kids in May, you're getting them again? Guys, goats have got a quick gestation period of 5 months. This means that after, you know, a 5-month period, they will basically give birth. And after a month, guys, they go on heat, can reintroduce the buck, then they'll give you, you know, a new set of kids. How amazing is that, guys? How amazing is that, man? I'm super excited about this opportunity. The return on investment is absolutely massive. So on basically the 28 females that we have got, the new ones we've got this year, basically what's happening with them is that we can give those a year, guys, because they are not, those are hybrids, so they are bigger, they've got a bigger frame than the local goats. So we can introduce a pure buck to them by next year. The ones who gave birth, who were born in May, we can introduce in May next year, and the other ones in October now, in October. So by the end of next year, we'll have a new unit of over 28 females who are breeding, plus our 31 guys. 28 plus 31, you guys will do the math. That's 59. We'll be sitting on a unit of 59 breeding does, right? Just from this cycle, but we're going to add on, we're going to buy more, because our target is to have 100 breeding does by the end of next year, a breeding unit of 100. So guys, super achievable, but the multiplication effect, guys, as you can see, is bananas. And not only in terms of numbers, but the fact that we are actually, developing and breeding hybrids, then boars, it's absolutely crazy. So think about this. A local doe is $30 in Zimbabwe, but a boar doe is $300. So guys, this is crazy. The return on investment is just massive. And the thing is this: goats are hardy animals, meaning your maintenance is low, but we are going to be doing the most. We're already preparing the land when we're planting lucerne. That is basically the feed, that we need for the grass that we need to produce the hay that we need to feed these goats. We're going to be mixing it with maize, man. It's going to be amazing. They're going to have a great time and they're going to grow better. But guys, you've never seen a goat which is dead because of lack of food. It doesn't happen. They're hardy animals. They need minimum care. They need minimum medication and all these things. Therefore, I love this investment, man. Absolutely love this investment. The return on investment is there. The multiplication effect is there. The maintenance is relatively low, but we are going to be doing a lot. And I'm going to be going through, this progress with you and these updates with you. Because the other thing, we're going to be building a goat house. I'm going to show you those videos of what we're going to be doing. Man, it's going to be absolutely amazing. So guys, please, if you want to keep updated, if you're excited about farming just like me, remember, Aliko Dakonte said that the next billionaires in Africa are going to be coming from agriculture. That's one of the industries. So man, you want to be involved in agriculture, right? So guys, I got word that we had received these 16 kids from our managing director out there at the farm, the diaries of a goat farmer. He's a doctor out there, Dr. Simba. And man, I'm so excited about this. I'm here in Joburg and the work is continuing. And guys, we have collaborated. We're going to be on a bigger farm. Right now, the goats, as you're seeing them, they're out in concession. That's also in Zimbabwe, but we're moving to a bigger farm, 50 Ks from the CBD of Harare, man, 198 hectares. And I'm super excited. The goats are going to have a good time then. But we just couldn't transport the goats now because they were pregnant. So we're waiting them to kid. And after they've given birth, with the new babies, the new kids, once they're settled, we're going to transport them. And I'm going to be showing you all these videos of us transporting them, doing different things, building a new goat house, planting, feed, lucerne. We've already started preparing the land, and I'm going to be showing you all these videos, guys. And man, you want to be part of that. So subscribe to this channel right now. Like, share, comment, do the good things, man. Share this video with someone, guys. So man, I'm super excited about this, man. Cheers, guys. Bye-bye.